Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Lowe's affiliate partnerships for home improvement leads, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Lowe's affiliate program website. Search for Lowe's affiliate program in your preferred search engine. Locate the official Lowe's affiliate program page. Review the program details to ensure it aligns with your goals. Identify the type of products that are relevant to your audience. Click on the Join Now or Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required information in the application form. Provide accurate data about your website or social media platforms. Be clear about how you plan to drive traffic to Lowe's products. Submit your application and wait for approval. Once approved, log into your affiliate account. Familiarize yourself with the affiliate dashboard. Explore the available tools, including banners and links. Generate unique affiliate links for the products you want to promote. Integrate these links into your website or content. Create valuable content around home improvement topics. Highlight Lowe's products in your articles or videos. Use SEO strategies to attract a broader audience. Track your performance through the affiliate dashboard. Assess which products generate the most leads and revenue. Adjust your promotional strategies based on your analytics. Stay updated with Lowe's promotions and seasonal offers. Incorporate these offers into your content for timely engagement. Build relationships with your audience by responding to inquiries. Encourage feedback to refine your approach. Continuously educate yourself on home improvement trends. Test different formats and platforms for promoting Lowe's products. Evaluate and optimize your strategies regularly for better results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.